If you see our location in Saraswadi, it's very good for solar energy generation. So that's where we actually decided to go with a solar plant, and we have very huge facility in terms of area. As far as benefit is concerned, last 3-4 months we have got almost saving in a tune of 30 to 40 lakhs through solar energy generation. We are generating around 5,000 to 6,000 units a day, which definitely help us to bring our energy cost down. We have various other initiatives like plastic recycling, returnable packaging. We are already licensing up with a lot of our customers to maintain that. So this is what we are looking for next 10 years. We have selected fourth partner as our partner for solar energy based on their credentials, where they have installed multiple solar plants, and their approach towards project management, the speed of delivery. That is one reason we went with fourth partner. And this 1 megawatt is only a starting, so we are actually looking for some more association with fourth partner based on their credibility.